Hello, we are developing inventory management system with PHPMaker, and in previous video we had completed all the database tables, and now we are ready to connect PHPMaker with the database. You can see all the tables are here. Now let's open PHPMaker and go to database. Here we have opened our PHPMaker app. In this, we'll go to database and we set our database configuration. As we are working on localhost, we'll put localhost over here. If your database is on server, you can type IP and the port. As this is the default port, which is 3306 in case of MySQL, so we are not inputting it. Username of the database who have access to that DB and the password. And then if you go to this selection, you will see all the database access to this user. We are using InventoryDB in this case, so we'll select that. Once you fill all the required information, you can click on Connect. This will load all the database table and show you like this. So this way we have connected our database with the PHPMaker. Next video, we'll see how you can generate this code and browse that on the website. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any query related to PHPMaker or any project work related to PHPMaker, you can contact us on learn.phpmaker.help@gmail.com. You can share your feedback in the comment box. Please subscribe